Hi there. We have an HYS Tc 300 2-pill 10-meter amplifier. Uses 1104Cs or 1104M or M1104s. There we go. Ooh, wow, too much coffee this morning. Anyway, it's upside down because so you can see the inside. This is high. This is a power switch, AM sideband, and high-low. And you know what's funny about these is the high-low switch is wired backwards. That's the way they made it. It's the way it is. Can't change that, but you know, just remember that if you get this guy, low is high and high is low. That's it. There's the information, etc. So, with further ado, I'll switch it off, put it on 10-watt scale. I'm driving with about 1 watt. Okay, I'm telling you, this is a nice low drive amplifier. Okay, even though it says high, it's low. I'll show you the difference. All right. Of course, it wouldn't hurt to turn it on. The noise you're hearing is the power supply in this other amplifier. That's what we're using. It is not connected in the back. Only this guy is. Okay. We're on the 100-watt scale. Dead key in about 40. And unfortunately, it's pegging my meter. Not good for meter movement. Well, let's see, the 1,000 scale. About 200. All right. I told you this was reverse high and low. That's what it shows on low. Switch it to the low, which is actually high, and is higher. Shows about 100-watt dead key. Yeah. Swinging about 250. So, not a bad little amplifier. Works okay. These go on eBay for $120 or $125. So, the party who's selling it is given a discount. Everything works on it. So, with that said and done, have a nice day.